Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up with Geniuslink for affiliate attribution and deep links, complete guide step by step clearly. To set up Geniuslink for affiliate attribution and deep links, start by visiting the Geniuslink website. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button. Fill in the required details, including your email address and a secure password. Once registered, verify your email to activate your account. Log into your Geniuslink dashboard using your credentials. In the dashboard, find the Links section and click on it. Select the Create Link option. Enter the destination URL you want to promote. Choose the appropriate tracking settings for your link. Select the preferred affiliate network from the provided list. If your chosen network isn't listed, you can manually enter your affiliate link. Customize the link by giving it a recognizable alias or name. Next, navigate to the geo-targeting options to set up region-specific links if needed. You can choose to redirect users based on their geographical location or device type. Once all settings are configured, click on the Create Link button. After the link is generated, copy the short link provided. To test the link, paste it into your browser and ensure it redirects correctly. Monitor the performance of your link through the Analytics section in your dashboard. Review clicks, conversions, and referral sources to optimize your strategy. Make adjustments to your links or settings as necessary for improved results. Keep your affiliate links updated to ensure maximum earning potential. Familiarize yourself with Geniuslink's resources and support materials for advanced features. This completes your setup with Geniuslink for affiliate attribution and deep links. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.